Introducing the ultimate adventure companion, the DUNCHI 731 folding mountain e-bike. With its powerful 48V lithium battery and full suspension design, this e-bike is ready to conquer any terrain. Equipped with 7 speed gears and a high carbon steel frame, the DUNCHI 731 delivers a smooth and comfortable ride, whether you're cruising through city streets or blazing new trails in the mountains. Safety is paramount, which is why our e-bike features a reliable disc brake system and a rear hub motor for responsive acceleration and braking. And when you're ready to hit the road, the folding design makes it easy to transport and store so you can take your adventures anywhere. Plus, with a range of up to 40 kilometers and a top speed of 30 to 50 kilometers per hour, you can explore farther and faster than ever before. Like, share, and comment if you're ready to experience the thrill of electric biking with the DUNCHI 731. And don't forget to click the link in the description to buy now and start your next adventure today.